Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Now we are going to start English Slow 3 Day 4 book page number 11 revision workbook page number 15. Take out your English reading book. Turn page number 11. Encircle the correct sound. Look at our first picture is engine. E a engine, G g engine, H h engine, E a engine. Circle the correct letter E. Okay, next picture is gate. E a gate, F gate, G g gate. Correct answer is G. G g gate. Circle the letter G. Next picture is horse. E a horse, G ga horse, H ha horse. Correct sound is ha, H ha horse. Circle the letter H. Next picture is fire. Next picture is fire. E a fire, F fire, G g fire. Correct sound is F fire. Circle the letter F. Next picture is hammer. Next picture is hammer. F hammer, G g hammer, H ha hammer. Correct sound is H ha hammer. Circle the letter H. Next picture is girl. Next picture is girl. F girl, G g girl, H ha girl. Correct sound is g, G g girl, G g girl. Now take out your English workbook. Page number 1515. Write A to H. A to H. Hold your pencils. Look at the dot. We will write A in these two middle lines. Okay. First, you make a half circle like this. Then close it by upward straight standing line till second line. Then curve it. Which letter? A. What comes after A? B. We will write B in first three lines. First, you make a straight standing line like this. Then close it by half circle like this. B. What comes after B? C. We will write C in these two middle line, okay? Half circle like. Next, we will write D. First, C make a half circle like C, then close it by outward straight standing line till first line. Then curve it. Which letter? D. Which letter? D. A sound is A, B sound is B, C sound is K, and D sound is D. Next, we will write E. Look at the dot. We will write E in these two middle lines, okay? Curve, touch the line, then curve it. E. E sound is A. E sound is A. What comes after E? F. Look at the dot. Firstly, touch the line, curve, make a downward straight standing line till third line, then make a slipping line in the middle line. Which letter? F. F says F. F says F. What comes after F? G. What comes after F? G. Firstly, make a we will write G in last three lines. First, you make a half circle like C, then close it by upward straight standing line till second line. Then make a slanting straight standing line till third line and curve it. Which letter? G. G sound is G. G sound is G. Next, we will write H. We will write H. First, you make a straight standing line in first three lines, then then make a slanting line till second line, then curve and make a straight standing line and curve it. Which letter? H. A sound is H. A sound is H. A apple. B ball. C cat. D doll. E elephant. F fish. G grapes. H horse. Write the beginning sounds of the given pictures. Look at the picture. What is this? Helicopter. We will write H here, okay? Capital H. Like this, and small h. H helicopter. Next, what is this? B bat. B bat. Capital B. Like this, and small b. Next, what is this? Grapes. What is this? Grapes. Grapes. Capital G. Like this, and small g. Grapes. What is this? Camel. What is this? Camel. C camel. We will write C here. Capital C. Small c. C camel. Now we are going to start Maths Slow 3 Day 4 Workbook page number 1919. Take out your Maths workbook. Page number 1919. Join the dots. Join the dots in each group, color and recognize the shape. Okay, join 10 to 12, then back to 10. Okay, firstly join 10 to 12. Hold your pencil like this and 10 to 12. Then back to 10. Like this, okay? Which shape? Triangle. Which shape? Triangle. Next, join 13 to 16, then back to 13. 1 3 13 to 1 6 16. Firstly, we will join straight standing line like this. 13 to 16, then back to 13. 15. 1. 1 4 14. 1 3 13. Which shape? Square. Which shape? Square. Next, join 70 to 20, then back to 17. Like this, okay? Which shape? Rectangle. Which shape? Rectangle. Okay. Firstly, look at this. Which shape? Triangle. Take blue color. Firstly, make dark outline. Then light color inside. Like this. Which shape? Triangle. Which shape? Triangle. Next, look at this. Which shape? Square. Which shape? Square. Take yellow color. Firstly, make dark outline. Like this. Then light color inside. Like this. Which shape? Square. What is the color of square? Yellow. Next, look at this. What is this? Rectangle. Which shape? Rectangle. Take green color. Firstly, make dark outline. Like this. Then light color inside. Like this. Which shape? Rectangle. What is the color of rectangle? Green. Triangle, square, rectangle.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद करती हूँ आप खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं उर्दू दिन 4 बुक सफ़ा नंबर 37 वर्ड बुक सफ़ा नंबर 24-25। अपनी उर्दू की किताब खोलिए, सफ़ा नंबर 37। टुडे लेटर इज़ वाव। वाव साउंड इज़ वा। वाव साउंड इज़ वा। वावा वर्दी। वावा वर्दी। वावा विकेट। वावा विकेट। वावा विकेट। नमाज से पहले क्या करते हैं? खाना खाते हैं या वज़ू करते हैं? नमाज पढ़ने से पहले हम क्या करते हैं? वज़ू करते हैं। टेक द वज़ू। अब हम करेंगे वर्ड बुक का काम। शनाख्त करें और रंग भरें। शनाख्त करें और रंग भरें। वाव। नाउ ट्रेस इट। वाव। वाव साउंड इज वा। वाव साउंड इज वा। वावा वर्दी। वावा वर्दी। वावा वज़ू। वावा विकेट। वावा विकेट। नाउ firstly make dark outline. Now inside the color in this picture like this. Now complete the color, then again read it. Wawa wordi. Wawa wazu. Wawa wazu. Wawa wicket. Wawa wicket. शनाख्त करें और लिखें। वावा वैगन। वावा वैगन। फर्स्टली ट्रेस इट। वाव। फर्स्टली मेक स्मॉल circle, then round downside, make slanty line. Wawa wicket. Firstly make small circle, then round downside, make slanty line. Wawa wicket. And fill the face of wow like this. Wawa wicket. Wawa wagon. Wawa worthy. Then again trace it like this and fill the face of Faye. Wow. Wawa wicket. Wawa worthy. Wawa wazoo. Now dot it here. Firstly make small circle like this, then round, make a slanty line like this. Wow, and fill the face of wow. Wawa wicket. Now dot is here and put the pencil and make small circle, then round, then make a slanty line like this and fill the face of wow. वावा विकेट, वावा वर्दी, वावा वज़ू। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़।